What's up, guys? Welcome to our fourth What's Up Wednesday. So I can't say I have too much of an update for this week, but I did want to highlight just a few things. For starters, my hood detailing video has absolutely amazed me. It's up to, I want to say, around 500 views currently, which is far more than any of my other videos have gotten. So I'm greatly appreciative to all of you who have watched it, viewed it, shared it, wherever has been done to make it go as far as it has. It really does. It makes my day. It makes everything so much better knowing that the community is actually viewing these videos and hopefully enjoying them. So if there's feedback you guys can give, there's something you like, by all means, let me know. I'd love to keep producing content that you guys like. And then a small correction for Monday's video, the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax versus Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine. I said it smelled like tire cleaning products. And I went back, and you probably shouldn't do this, but I went back and smelled my tire cleaning products, and it's not quite that. It makes me think more of baby wipes, which is still not a smell I'm crazy about. But I mean, it's not a terrible smell. It's just I don't like it. And then also in regards to that video, it generated a bit of discontent for one of the communities I'm part of. Pretty much, some of them were unhappy that I didn't apply it per the instructions. So if you read the instructions on the back of the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax, it says apply to a freshly washed surface and apply it onto the wet surface and then dry off the surface, buffing it off. And then after that, you can just re-up the product to essentially spray on and spray off with a pressure washer. And while I know it does say this on the instructions, I did quite a bit of research beforehand, both on Meguiar's forums, a couple of the product videos from the actual product manager for the product, and some information, and they've said it's fine to use as a dry product. In my experience and from what I've seen, putting on as a dry product actually does increase the durability a good bit when it comes to chemical resistance and just longevity. Not too much on longevity, but definitely on the chemical resistance side. And the only reason that you really use it with the wet side is that way you have a wash and wax all in one step. So in that idea, it's more convenient for time management, but there's a couple of reasons why I didn't follow these instructions. So first, because I wanted to ensure the products were applied in a similar manner, which was to a clean, freshly clayed surface that has no chemical residue on it, hence the IPA wipe down. Second, because I didn't want a large amount of water to skew the results, because the Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine is not meant to have water applied for the surface. And also because I was doing this in my garage, I don't really have a good way to put a water hose to it. There is another method of using just a spray bottle and doing it that way, which if the community would like, I'll do a video on the different ways to apply this product, just so that way we have it all out in the open. Third reason is, as I said, I did some research. Manufacturer said it can be applied as a dry solution. So there's no harm in doing so. And then the fourth is also because I live in Florida, which is a very hot environment. Whenever you apply this product, it has a very high likelihood of streaking if it dries before you're able to dry and buff it off with a microfiber cloth. So I was able to avoid having to worry about streaks by just applying it on dry and then going ahead and wiping it off. Now, a key thing to note is whenever you use this product, you don't use a whole lot of it. Literally one spray just in the middle of the panel would be sufficient, or one to two sprays on a small microfiber applicator. The reason I didn't apply it directly to the panel is because it tends to splatter a bit. I didn't want it to get on the panel I was using the turtle wax on. There have been multiple tests online that show that the product is more durable, as I said, when applied to a dry surface, at least for chemical resistance. I will be doing a couple of tests just to see how it holds up over time. So my driver's side door has the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. Rear door has the Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine. I'm not going to apply any chemicals, nothing to these. Just once every week or every other week, I'm going to spray them off with a water hose, see how they turn out. If it still looks like it's beading fine, see if it looks like it still has all the hydrophobic properties, awesome. We'll see which one fails first in that regards, and then I'll do an update. Then just onto and the reason I go into all this is I kind of want to apologize for the application method, because I feel it did offend some people and made them unhappy with the content that I put out, and that's never my intent. So I want to put out this apology and also my explanation for my methodology for the reasons why I chose to go with the method I did. Is that if you guys prefer, I'll happily make a video showing the different application methods, how they work, why they work, what McGuire's methodology and thought process is behind what they've done, and why they recommend what they do. So we can go into an in-depth version for that. Then on a brighter note, what I'd like to end the video on is the giveaway that I mentioned. So we're coming up closer to the 100 subscriber mark. When that time comes, once we pass 100, the Tuesday afterward, I will make a video showing what the products are, just how they work, just a basic, hey, this is what I'm giving away, this is what you could win, these are the products, these are how they work, blah, blah, blah. Very simple process. To be eligible to receive them, you'll just have to comment on that video, just something, hi, entered, yes, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. If you put a comment on it, you'll be eligible for the giveaway. That Wednesday, during the What's Up Wednesday, I'll go ahead and make the announcement about the video. I'll have the link for it, everything in there, so that way it gets a little bit more visibility, more people know about it. Then the following Wednesday, the next What's Up Wednesday, I will do the raffle. So I still need to fully figure out how I'm doing that. I'll have to do a little bit of research, make sure everything is completely, legitimate, make sure everything's up to proper laws and regulations, because I think this could technically go into like a giveaway gamble type situation. So I might have to do like a GDPR release notice saying what I'll be using your information for, because obviously I'll need either an address or a PO box or something to send these to. So I want to make sure everything's compliant, everything's by the books for when I do this. And then I'll announce it that Wednesday and get it shipped out either Wednesday or Thursday, just depending on how long it takes for the winner to send me their information to send this to. So, as we get closer to that, I'll keep it updated, but hopefully we can hit that, by next week. That'd be awesome if so. But once again, this is just my usual What's Up Wednesday. Just wanted to give an update for what's going on, explanation. As for things coming up in the pipeline, my chair repair video will be coming out on Friday. That's what we can look forward to there. Just a fun little video showing how to fix a failed hydraulic piston inside the chair, so that way it quits lowering on you. Then I also have just another opening for a product for the channel, showing how, just showing a nice little thing that I bought for it. Then we got a few other things coming up in the future. Probably gonna do just a demo video for the Daytona soon, so that way we can start to get that series going. And then also going to start the financial side of the video and channel soon, to try and help some people out with that, because I have a lot of people who have asked me about what I do. So we'll talk about that. We'll get everything going. As always, if you guys like the content coming out, it helps a ton if you share the video, like, comment, subscribe. As always, if you hit the notification bell, it'll keep you up to date with new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.